Here we are, guys, to get some fireworks here in Madera, California. We like to support America Legion Madera. We like to support them. So we support them every year. You excited?
Selections back here. We've got our smaller stuff here.
What choices?
No.
No twinsies? This is our daughter Kimberly, and this is our granddaughter Emily.
6 and 4.
Yeah, she's 6 and she's 4.
Well, you girls will be happy to know that we're having a drawing tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and we're going to give away these 2 bicycles. So whatever you buy, we're going to give you tickets.
Signing those raffle tickets to try and win those bikes. Huh, Mama? Ooh-hoo. Signing 7 of them. We got 7 raffle tickets. So let's see if we get a shot at those bikes. There you go. Are you excited, Mama, for the fireworks for tomorrow? Yes, my love? That's right. You too, baby girl? Yeah? What's on your mind? Let me see. What did you get, Kimberly? Is that what you got? Woo woo, family pack.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
And what you get? Ooh. Okay, guys, I just want to share with you guys really quick of the fireworks that we got for the girls. And if you are in Madera, California, come and support them. And may you all have a blessed day. Bye.